Now we get to add our spaceship to our game. So we want to create a class. This one's not going to be a window. This is going to be our first object in our game, or game object. So let's call it player. Could have called it spaceship too, but I like player. So we're going to make it extend. Basically it is a Chingu game object. We're going to extend it because we're going to add some functionality to it. We're going to make it our spaceship image that we found. First thing, as always, in all of our Chingu games, we have an initialize method. And we've got to call the superclass's initialize method. We do that with super. Don't worry too much about that. Just know that we need to have super in the front or in the beginning of all of our initialize methods. And finally, we just load our image. So for this, we're going to assign it to our image variable. Now, image is a special variable because Chingu will look at that to display our player. And here the image is spaceship.png, as you can see right here. And that's good. This will actually work to display our player's spaceship. But if you run it, you'll notice that we don't actually see the player. And this is because, just like we learned in the pickup game, this player is any class is just a blueprint. It's kind of like a set of instructions. It tells Ruby how a player works, how it looks, but it doesn't actually create any players. For that, if we want to create 1 or 1,000 players, we got to call player.create. The best place to put that is in the initialize method of the window, because that's only called once. And for right now, at least, we only want to create 1 player. So let's run this. And there's our player.